Hello, everybody. Today we are going to make a Memorial Day themed snack. Okay, so what you need to do today's activity is a graham cracker and or a cookie in a rectangular shape, or any kind of cracker in a rectangular shape. Okay, you're going to need either some cream cheese or some yogurt, whichever you have, right? This is my cream cheese and a small spreader. You're gonna need some blueberries and or blackberries, whichever you may have. And then some strawberries sliced up, or raspberries, or any kind of red fruit, really. You could use red delicious apples sliced with the skin on. That would work as well. So this is a red, white, and blue themed activity, so it's very patriotic and perfect to celebrate our Memorial Day week. So I'm going to scoop up on my spreader a small amount of cream cheese and or yogurt, whichever you have, and I'm going to start spreading it on my cracker. Now, obviously, you want to be doing this on a flat surface. Let me see if I can get this in frame. There you go. So you want to be holding with your non-dominant hand your cracker, and you're going to use the spreader, put some on first, and then use the spreader to spread it around. Right? Spread, spread, spread. And you want as much or as little as cream cheese as you can get on here. So you're going to spread it around, but you want to make sure that you get all the edges. You want the cream cheese to go all over your cracker or your cookie, whichever you have. And then, obviously, this could take however long it takes your child. They could snack on it as they're eating it. Trust me, I've seen it all. So, children might not have enough patience to get to the whole flag part making of this activity, and that's okay. They could stop here and eat. That's fine. Or they could continue on. So next, we're going to take the blueberries, okay? We're going to take the blueberries, and we're going to take the blueberries. Oh, hold on. I forgot to show you. So, sorry. You want to make sure, oh, see, I have, putting it on the screen, I see I've missed a corner. Right, so there you go. So you want the whole cracker filled with cream cheese or yogurt. It's mine. I'm gonna eat it. So my hands are impeccably clean. Then you're gonna use the blueberries and you're gonna make a square with it. Or really a rectangle. In the rectangle, in the corner of the rectangle. So it's gonna look like that. Okay, so I have 6 blueberries. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 6 blueberries in my corner of my cracker. Okay, and then you're going to take some strawberries or raspberries and you're going to make stripes. Okay, so I'm going to make some stripes on my flag. My flag cookie that I made. Need a small one. Okay, and then you keep going. And the reason why you want to make sure that your cracker has enough cream cheese is because you want everything to stick down nice and good, right? And everything to stick onto your cracker. So, like that. Oh, see? Push it down to make sure it sticks. But that's what it's supposed to look like. And there you have your flared cookie. So this is a delicious snack, and you're gonna, again, as the process happens, your kids may stop and start eating. It's okay. This is a learning process. Some children like eating as they go. Some children never get to the finished project, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But it's fun exploring and enjoying making a delicious snack with your children. So go ahead and try this out. I hope you had a wonderful Memorial Day, and keep watching for the rest of this week of Memorial Day fun activities. Love you guys. Bye.